Something premium is quietly coming to life, and you can almost feel Samsung building the hype beneath the surface. Trusted insider Ice Universe now confirms that these early renders are accurate enough to capture how the phone will truly look and feel, long before any official reveal. From the elegant silver shadow tone to pink gold, which closely echoes the titanium pink finish seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the design already feels confident and refined. But colors are only the beginning. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be something special, with the return of the rear camera island and a wider aperture, promising stronger low-light photography. Samsung is also expected to introduce a privacy display that keeps side glances out of your business. The only lingering disappointment is the familiar 5,000 mAh battery, especially as even budget phones are now pushing much higher limits. Something big is coming, and Galaxy fans can already feel the excitement building. We are now just 1 month away from the official announcement of the Galaxy S26 series, and as always, Samsung is saving its most powerful and exciting upgrades for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Recent leaks have already hinted at 60-watt fast charging, and now even more details about the camera and memory options are coming into focus, making this launch feel closer and more real than ever. Tipster Ahmed Quader has revealed fresh camera details that truly stand out. According to him, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a massive 200-megapixel primary camera with an f1.4 aperture paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto camera using an f2.9 aperture. This is a clear improvement over the previous generation, allowing more light to reach the sensor. The results should be sharper photos, less noise, reduced shake, and images that look more natural and closer to what your eyes actually see. This kind of upgrade is not just on paper, it is something users will feel in everyday photography. On the performance side, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also shaping up to impress. The highest variant is expected to offer 16 gigabytes of RAM, along with 1 terabyte of storage. In a time when RAM shortages are affecting the industry, Samsung keeping this top-tier option says a lot about its focus on power users. The only unanswered question is whether this premium configuration will come with a noticeable price increase. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 series on February 26th, with pre-orders likely opening the same week. The Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra could then go on sale starting March 11th in select regions. With leaks stacking up and launch day approaching fast, the wait for the Galaxy S26 Ultra is getting harder by the day. Something big just stepped out of the shadows, quietly, confidently, and if you look closely, you can feel Samsung setting the stage for a serious power move. The United States version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has now surfaced on Geekbench, and this is its very first benchmark appearance. This is a big one, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Right away, it starts telling a deeper story. Inside sits the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, but not in its final form yet. This early unit is running a slightly toned-down setup, hinting that Samsung is still holding back its full potential. According to details shared by Ice Universe, the chip keeps the familiar two-cluster design. 6 performance cores run at 3.63 GHz, just like the standard version, but the 2 prime cores are underclocked, sitting at 4.19 GHz instead of their higher ceiling. Normally, Samsung's 4 Galaxy chips push even further, which makes this choice feel intentional, not limiting. We've built it into our mobile platform, and it's the fastest mobile CPU in the world. Even with this restrained configuration, the Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers impressive results. It reaches 3,466 in single-core performance and 11,035 in multi-core tests, and this is before the chip is fully unleashed. Once clock speeds are finalized, these numbers are expected to climb much higher. Phones like the OnePlus 15 usually score around 3,600 in single-core and roughly 10,500 in multi-core tests. Compare that with what the Galaxy is already doing, and the direction becomes clear. Samsung is building toward the most powerful Android flagship yet, but performance is only half the story. Watch more tech videos on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tech updates. This is Mr. Fanova. Thanks for watching.